the high voltage porosity or holiday detection method is used. Put simply, this is where a high voltage is applied. Whilst typically you still set a pulse DC unit to a voltage determined by the specified coating thickness, unlike the continuous DC method, the voltage on pulse DC units is actually rapidly switching between 0 and the voltage you've set, typically at speeds of 30 pulses per second or 30 Hz, and unclip the return lead every time the length runs out. As long as the substrate itself is grounded, and is on ground which is wet enough to conduct electricity, you can test this way. In some instances, you can simply use a grounding mat as a larger trailing lead, aiding in the grounding when in dry conditions. However, if you don't have access to an uncoated area of the substrate, or when the ground itself is dry, you can use the Elcometer 280 grounding mat and grounding pin to couple the substrate to the unit's ground. Simply wrap the conductive rubber mat around the coated pipe and connect it to both the grounding pin, which is secured into the ground, and the signal return lead. The rubber mat then works as a capacitor, creating your earth signal return contact.